Fuck all these tears I cried and all this pride. I can admit the grass is greener on the other side. Here we go with the story which may expose to some, or maybe those found out the hard way this life gets cold. Especially being miles away from home, there's no part of me that's phony. So turn this mic up, don't need a church to get my testimony. All I need is wheat bread and some bologna. Left in that hotel with only the wonder. 2013, I'll never forget that summer. Kicked to the street, fell out with my sister and my older brother for staying up for what I believe. So much these eyes can see, cause I done lived it. Fuck the movie Halloween, cause I'm a witness to dealing with reality. I always carry this life experience with me, so God help me please, man.
Reminiscing about the hood and how it molded me. The truth, I'm not that youngin' anymore. You seen posting on the stoop. My dreams is in pursuit, ambition through the roof. I may have stumbled a couple times and lost a grip, but I recouped. I'm manning up to my mistakes. It makes it easier to sleep. It's hard to transition when all you know is the streets, but please believe I'm eager to make a change. Rearrange some things, my brain tames the pain. Complain? Nah, that ain't my pedigree. I'm S&E. If it ain't positive, I let it be. I'm on my UMB and JOB constantly. Long as I keep it 100, ain't no stopping.
As I get faded to this can't be life and turn this can up right. So much to be thankful for, cause I faced the weather, the storm, put my faith in the Lord. Became a believer when I opened up that book of Peter. Sitting back, thinking on the inside, I'm so thankful to be alive. The more of my story, as I brace y'all with this warning. Caught up in the situation by facing my trials and tribulations. Kinda like that dream I once had. Flew across states and things turned bad. Shit hit the fan, now everybody's mad. Yeah, war within myself, couldn't made it through these hard times without God's help.
Every day I tend to battle with shit that I shouldn't have to. My heart's cold, searching for liberty, not the statue. Baby mom's tripping, but I don't pay no attention. Roadblocks ain't nothing but stepping stones on this mission. On the path to the top, I recuperated from nothing. God is my only source in this problem that I'm becoming. You false preach, throw dirt on the name that I don't build. Yet and still, I show you the definition of real, man. This can't be right, can't sleep, death is all I contemplate about. This can't be life, moves the bus, trying to find the grooves and cuts. I'm doing me, don't be mad, I don't prove enough. No support, but the hood show me love, of course. I ain't tripping, I'm just spitting, this the slums report. So in closing, don't scrutinize what I do. Call me anything you want, just don't forget that I'm the truth.